Everyone, this is a video for my MoneyWorks AI series. In this video, I will demonstrate how MoneyWorks AI can help process a bank statement and prepare transaction for bank reconciliation. Normally, when we receive a bank statement, we need to review every transaction, identify the receipt and payment, and then enter the missing transaction into the MoneyWorks accounting software. For this demo, I have prepared a sample bank statement for ABC Private Limited. All company names, account numbers, transaction details shown in these videos are sample information. So I created this new sample file, and I have a bank statement. So this is my bank statement, sample bank statement. So I have attached this bank statement and asked the AI to create a sales invoice, purchase invoice, and match it as per bank statement so that I can complete my bank recon. So the AI is smart enough to tell me that the file has no transaction, and I don't have the supplier created as well. So AI will help me to create that supplier, and I have some transaction, the payment, like for example the CPF payment, foreign worker levy, and some of the bank's fee and internal bank transfer. So this has been identified by the AI, and I have answered those questions. So the AI came back with some question, and I answer those. Then yeah, it's trying to help me to do all the transaction based on the bank statement. So you can see it created a sales invoice. I will show you later in MoneyWorks. Uh, okay, so it just asked me about the tax code as well on some of the transaction, especially I think it's a cash receipts. So I need that to fix it for tax code. So AI managed to change the tax code for me, so I do not need to go to MoneyWorks and change it. And here you go. All the sales invoice. So it created all these sales invoice uh, with with a tax code as well. And some of these earlier on, some of the invoices have this GST as well. Then once it's posted, right? So the AI will mesh it for me, mesh it for me. So mesh the sales invoice and it create a receipt. Then I have the payment. So the AI also created the transaction as per my request, and is actually able to assign to the correct account code as well. So because I don't have a account code name foreign worker levy, so it's put it into the general expenses. But you can see here I have some called payroll deduction. So because of this CPF wording, so it's trying to match for me as well. So once you train the AI, it's able to help me to do some of the works. So that's the end. Uh, MoneyWorks AI should be treated as an assistant. It help you it help you work faster, but the final review should still be done by your accounts person or a responsible user. If you are using MoneyWorks and would like to test how AI can help your accounting, contact us. Thank you.